Hello once again, I'm Nana Paul. Today I want to give you an exclusive video on how you can use CapCut features for free. Yes, for free. I know most of us, we are editors and we use CapCut to do our editing. And there's this CapCut Pro where you have to pay. And you don't have that money to pay that, you see. So there's always a way around it to use this feature for free. So imagine this background. I want to change my background. Okay. So I would put a different background so that I will go and edit it and fix that background in CapCut. Okay. You know that removing background with CapCut you have to pay. So first of all you have to do is to come to CapCut. Yes, of course, CapCut, and go to your gallery. You see, I've downloaded a couple of pictures background where I want to use for my background. You can do that as well. You can download all those pictures from Chrome or any browsing feature. So I have to use this one, okay, and bring it at the very end of the video. So you see, so it's coming before the video. So I have to look for overlay and pull the video down. The video I was talking, pull it down. Okay, so I'm searching for overlay. Okay, that's overlay. I have to pull the video down. You see, it has been brought down under the picture, under the background. And you see the video I divided it into two, so I had to do overlay and bring the second one down. So that's what I'm pulling down to go and fix to the end of the very beginning of the video. So that is it. So I have to look for background remover on CapCut, and you know this one you have to pay. So you wait for the end of this video. I will show you what you have to do that you wouldn't have to pay. You see, that is removal of background. So you click on the removal of background, then you apply, then CapCut will do its magic. Okay, it will be thinking that we are going to pay, but bro, we won't pay. We won't pay for anything. Then we'll wait for it to remove the background. As you are waiting, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, subscribe to my channel. So it has removed the background. You see, I'm now behind the picture. Okay, I'm now behind the picture, and the second part of the video I have to come and remove the background as well because it wasn't removed. Okay, so we go to remove background, then we click on the apply, then we wait for CapCut magic. Okay, CapCut will do its magic. Voila, you see it has removed the background. Okay, that's removed. So we are going to pull the background, the picture, to the very end of the video. Okay, we have to drag it to the very end of the video I was talking. Okay, so let's go and let me see where it will. I have to adjust it well. Okay, I have to bring it back small. Okay, I think this is good. I think this is good. You see the pro, it means we have to pay. It means we have to pay for the pro. Hello once again, I'm Nana Paul. Today I want to give you an exclusive video on how you can use CapCut features. Let me tell you the actual thing. You don't need to pay for this one. You have to just do a screen recording. Okay, you just have to do a screen recording. When you are done doing the editing, just screen record and do the adjustments. I don't want to do another screen recording part. It will make the video very lengthy for you. Okay, so you have to do a screen recording and adjust the lighting. So that is what I'm doing. I have to do a video quality where I would fit in the background. The reason I'm saying you should do a screen recording is that other platform where people used to do editing do not allow you to do a screen recording, but CapCut does. CapCut will allow you to do a screen recording. So the best option is to do a screen recording. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm Nana Paul. I'm out.